What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making Cannabutter with Shatter, so let's get into it. The ingredients to make this recipe would be butter, shatter, lecithin. Alright, the first step would be to preset your oven to 250 degrees. So I'm just going to add my shatter to my mason jar. While your shatter is decarbing, measure out your butter. Alright, my shatter is fully decarbed. Now what we're going to do is add our butter to our mason jar. Add your lecithin. Now we're going to let our butter simmer on medium to low heat. Alright guys, my Cannabutter is fully incorporated. So now what we're going to do is add our butter to a mold. Alright, so now let your butter cool in the fridge for a few hours. Alright, my Shatter Cannabutter is done. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.